Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make bread soup the Haitian way. In this pot there I added some Crisco, all vegetable, and I have some carrots, those orange thing are carrots, and celery and onions. And right here I have some bread. You need white bread. You soak it on some water, and then you mash it like this. Okay. So the other ingredients you're gonna need lime, tomatoes, like those small ones or big ones, any kind. Parsley, chives, and cloves. And you can also add some pepper. And here this is smoked herring. So I just added a little bit of it. Okay, and you need some salt also. So now at this point I'm gonna add the bread. It probably looks nasty right now, but this is so good, and especially for pregnant women, because you have lots of vegetable in there, and it's really good. It's really good. So you can add the same water you soak the bread on. Okay, and then I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice. You can wait until it's boiled, but I know this video is not gonna wait that long, so I'm squeezing some lime juice. And I'm just gonna add the tomatoes and some parsley. And I bought about 6 cloves. And some chives. And if you have chicken stock, instead of the water, you can soak the bread like in the chicken stock, and then you can use the same stock and put it the bread and the stock, you just put it in the to put it in there in the soup. What else? You can add some butter and also some salt. Definitely you need some salt. So not too much salt if you add the herring, the smoked herring, because it already has some salt. So you don't want to add too much salt. You have to taste it, you know, after it's boiled. You can taste it, but I'm just gonna put a little bit here. And I'm gonna turn this. I don't have a spoon close by, but I have a knife. Okay. And it will take about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes to get ready on medium-low heat. And this is very good, very healthy for you. Bon appetit. Oh, and you can also add some pepper if you want some black pepper. Alright, thank you for watching how to make bread soup the Haitian way.